about to depart. This Talis Airport, bird for Bravo. Letting singling up now, forward and up. This is an radar, yeah? We will be going outside. Yep. Going outside to the next port. And like this here, this is how we will engage later. We'll engage later. My teammate here is this one. Nice. AB. Handsome AB. This is my cadet here. This is my handsome shipmate.
Sir,
P+8. P5.
P5!
All lines clear na, forward and up. No. Up station.
Plus 3, sir.
+8, +8.
Plus 8.
P5.
P5.
P5. Still P5, sir.
One remaining spray forward, yeah? This is the
Plus 8.
situation now. Up station, yeah.
Copy up. All lines to take. Terminal clear. Thank you. Plus 8, sir.
Very good.
Stop.
Very good.
Still P5, sir.
8 meters. Bow to bird. Take you forward.
+10.
Plus 10. Plus 10, sir. Stop bow.
We have one ship
P5, sir.
there. Alak ko, alis yan ng 1200. Hindi naman nakaalis.
Forward. Distance to bird. 5 meters. Distance to bird. Take you forward.
+5.
Plus 5.
Bawan to starboard.
P5, sir.
4 meters, distance to bird, take you forward. Plus 5. Bawat to starboard. 4 meters.
2 to starboard.
2 to starboard. 2 to starboard, sir. Plus 5.
Still P5, sir.
3 meters. 5 meters increasing.
Let's go
tempo.
spring forward.
Let go spring forward. Plus 5, sir. 2 to starboard.
Still P5, sir.
Sige, arya pa, arya pa.
So that was our last line.
Plus 5, sir. 2 to starboard.
Plus 10.
Plus 10. Plus 10, 2 to starboard.
Still P5, sir.
Very good. +20.
Plus 2.
Still P5, sir.
1 to starboard. Okay, secured forward and up. Secured everything.
Secured, forward up, secure everything.
Midship.
Midship.
+30.
Plus 30.
Stop bow.
Stop bow.
Steady.
Midship rudder now, sir.
Steady.
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 Plus 30, sir. Stop bow.
+30 is slow ahead.
Plus 30, sir. Stop bow.
Steady now, sir.
Very good. Heading.
Heading. Heading.
Heading. 134, sir.
Huh?
134. 134, sir.
130.
130.
130.
Plus 30, sir. 410.
410. 410 now, sir.
$420.
410, 420.
Chip, lipat na doon.
420 now, sir. Still 420, sir.
Very good. So, this was our maneuver. Yeah.
After
Still 420, sir.
Okay, okay. Secured everything now, up station.
Secure, sir, and ready for sympathy.
40 pitch.
Yeah. 402. Speed up.
Thank you.
Pitch 40.
Thank you very much for wind up.
Port 5. Port,
Forward. Secure everything.
port 5.
45 now, sir. Plus 40, sir.
Very good.
Still 45, sir.
Midship.
Midship.
Steady.
Midship, brother, now, sir.
Steady. Steady.
Steady.
So, that was our maneuver, yeah. Departure, Talisay Port.
Last call, sir. Yes, ready now, sir. 071.
Still, the truck is still there. Yeah. This is your port. This is shallow water here. Also another shallow water here. You can anchor in this area here. You can also anchor in this area. So that's all. Once again, this is my handsome chipmate. And this is my handsome AB. This will be celebrating birthday next month. And that is my cadet there reporting to the BTM is. That's all. Bye-bye, bye-bye.